Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the clutch on your Thermomix TM21. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You will also need a clean cloth for any internal cleaning and a replacement clutch, which you can easily find online or at your local appliance store. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety. Next, remove the bowl and the lid. This will give you clear access to the internal components. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the machine. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the control panel. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the cover removed, you will see the motor and the clutch assembly. The clutch is usually located near the base of the motor. To access it, you may need to remove additional screws that hold the clutch in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off any clips that may be securing the clutch. At this point, if you feel uncertain about proceeding, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and ensure your Thermomix is handled by experts. Once you have the clutch exposed, take a moment to clean the area with your cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate, affecting the performance of your machine. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. Now, remove the old clutch by unscrewing it from its position. Take your new clutch and align it with the mounting holes. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is tightly fitted to avoid any future issues. After securing the new clutch, reattach any clips you removed earlier. This step is crucial, as it ensures that the clutch operates smoothly without any obstruction. Next, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the top cover back on, ensuring that all wires are tucked away safely. Insert the screws at the base to secure the cover in place. If you find this process too tricky, remember we also provide collection and delivery at your home. This means you can have your Thermomix picked up, repaired, and returned without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your appliance issues. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test the new clutch by running a short program. Ensure everything is functioning correctly before putting it back into regular use. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the clutch on your Thermomix TM21. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful in restoring your appliance to its full potential. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.